Memorable.
Memorable.
Animal stories.
Huh?
Animal stories.
Animals story.
Okay. Next, too much good news.
Too much good news.
Okay. So let's go for April. Okay. Hippo
Okay.
calf born. There was the pitter-patter of little hoofs at Taronga Western Plains Zoo. NSW with the birth of a male hippo calf named Kimy to Mom Cuddles. He was born in the shallow water of the zoo's Hippo Lake, as a calf can only hold its breath for about 30 seconds at birth, and mother hippos instinctively know this. Kany means strength and energy in Kiswahili, a language from Tanzania or Kenya, after it was selected as the most popular name from the zoo's social media followers.
April Hippo crash bomb. There was the Peter
Patter
paper of little full of Tanjo watching return
plains
to a train Western Plain Zoo with a brood of
of
a male hippogriff named Kenya to
honey
Monkredi. He was born in the
shallow
shallow water
of the zoo's
of, of the zoo's Hippo Lake, as a crab can only hold its breath for about 30 seconds.
mhm, at birth,
At 30 seconds. It burned
and
at
mother
multiple and manner.
instinctively
It
instinctively
instinctively noticed Kenna means change and engineer increased at language from Tanakan after it was cited as the most popular
popular.
name from the zoo's social meadow flower.
Okay, let's correct most or some of your English words. Okay, can you say hippo,
People
calf?
have
Okay, when you say it's like silent L. Okay, calf.
cow,
Okay, pitter patter.
picture pattern,
Again, one more time. Pitter patter.
picture pattern,
Good. Western plains. Western plains.
western, western plan,
Good. Next, birth. Birth. Okay, Brian, can you say birth?
birth,
Okay, next, cuddles. One more time, cuddles.
paddle,
Okay, next, breath. Breath.
breath,
Okay, next, instinctively. Instinctively.
instinctively,
Okay, let's go to the next paragraph. Kiswahili. This is the place. Kiswahili. Can you say that
Kiss,
again?
kisses, Wally.
No, no. Okay. Kiswahili.
Kiss,
Again, one more time, please. Kiswahili.
Kiswahili.
Okay. So that is a language of Tanzania and Kenya. Kiswahili. Okay, next. Social media followers. Social media
Social,
followers. Social
social, what need, social,
media social media followers.
social media
Followers.
follower,
Okay. Next, popular.
popular.
Okay, I have a question, Brian. Have you seen a hippo? Hippopotamus. Have you seen that? Have you seen this kind of animal?
Yes, in
Park.
the zoo.
In the park. When was that? When
Oh,
was that? When have you seen that animal? When? Brian? When did you see the animal? Is it last year or last month? Not last month because it's still difficult to go out because of the COVID-19. But have you seen it 2 years ago, a year ago? When? When have you seen a hippo?
um,
Uh-huh.
um,
Last year?
last, yes,
Last year. Okay. Do you like it? I mean, do you like the face of the hippo?
um, yes,
Okay. All right. So, if you can already go to the zoo this year, would you like to go to if you are gonna go out this year, would you like to go back to the zoo? Would you like to see animals again? Hmm. If you could go out this year, would you like to go to the zoo?
uh, no,
No, not yet. Okay. So, if I'm gonna ask you, what is your favorite animal?
huh?
Is your favorite animal and why?
Because,
Hmm. What is your favorite animal?
because
Ani-
is, the zoo is so big.
Okay. My question is, what is your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal? You like
Oh,
fish, dog, a cat? Hmm.
um, lion,
Lion. Okay, you like lion. Why lion, Brian? Why do you like lion? Because lions are strong. Because lions are strong. Hmm. What can you say about lions or lion?
lion,
Lions are lions are what for you? Why did you choose a lion?
because it's so cool.
Lion looks so cool and so big. They're the king of the jungle, as what they said. All right. Okay. Thank you so much, Brian. Let's move on to the next paragraph. Okay. I'm gonna send you the other copy. Okay, wait a moment. This one. Can you see it now? Can you see